juicy, melt-in-your-mouth chicken. Today we're making Malai chicken, one of the most rich and flavorful dishes you'll ever try. Hi friends! Welcome back to Cooking with Candace. If you love buttery, mildly spiced, restaurant-style food that feels luxurious but it's super easy to make at home, you're going to be obsessed with this recipe. This dish is all about that silky marinade, made with cream, yogurt, and aromatic spices that soak deep into the chicken and create that signature Malai texture. So let's get started and make this incredibly delicious Malai chicken right at home. For this recipe, you'll need 650 grams of chicken breast cubed into longer cubes, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon each of ginger and garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, 2 green chilies, cut really small, half a cup of cilantro, half a cup of hung curd, a tablespoon of ghee, salt and pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and heavy cream. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to hang the curd because before I met my Indian husband, I didn't even know what that meant. So basically you get a tiny strainer, like one you would use for tea, and you put it over a cup that it fits on, and you scoop the yogurt, and I like to press it down, and then you just let it hang for 2 to 4 hours. It really depends, but then at the bottom you'll see that all the liquid from the yogurt comes out so that it creates this firmer yogurt. So that's what hung curd means, and that's how you do it. Okay, so now we're gonna get started on marinating the chicken we cut up. And this is really easy because it all goes in one bowl. You don't have to dirty up multiple bowls or anything. So we're gonna start with the lemon juice. I just squirt a little in there to break down the chicken. And then salt to taste. I just go with my gut on this. I feel like chicken does need more salt though, because we're adding a lot of yogurt and stuff too. Pepper, same thing, go with your gut. Okay. Then the garam masala. This I did measure. Then we're gonna do the ginger and garlic paste. Then we'll do the yogurt, hung curd. Then the sour cream. And the yogurt is what makes the chicken really tender. Then the green chilies. You can add more or less green chilies. You don't have to add this many. Then we did half a cup of cilantro and we shredded it. And then I'm going to add some ghee, a spoonful. And then you wanna add a tablespoon of cornstarch. Okay, and that's it for now. And I did wanna mention, this is a really easy way to make Malai chicken. There are more elaborate ways to make it, but if you're wanting to have it in a short period of time, this is the fastest way to make it. And my son really likes this chicken, so it's a hit in our household. So I'm just mixing all the ingredients and making sure it gets evenly coated on the chicken. And it smells really good. And then, once it's thoroughly mixed, we are going to put it in the fridge and let it sit for an hour. You can do 30 minutes, but we're gonna let it sit for an hour. Okay, so now that the chicken is done marinating, I'm going to preheat my air fryer. I did put parchment paper down because it gets really messy, so I like to do that. While I preheat it, I put these skewers here to keep it from flying up. And we're gonna preheat it for just 5 minutes. Okay, so now that my air fryer has been preheated, I have my bowl of chicken, and I'm gonna put the pieces on skewers. And I just do 4 skewers in one round. And you wanna make sure that your chicken is all cut around the same size so that it cooks evenly. on 390 for 8 minutes, and then I'm gonna flip it and air fry it for 8 more minutes. All right, we'll see you in 8 minutes. Okay, so now that it's been 8 minutes, look at how beautiful it looks already. We're gonna flip it. Sometimes it's a bit difficult. There we go. Okay, 8 more minutes. Now that it's been another 8 minutes, they are ready. So now I'm just gonna take it off the skewer in a bowl because we're gonna put cream on it, on the chicken. Okay, look how juicy that looks. Yummy. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take all the chicken off the skewers. Okay, so now that I have all the chicken in a bowl, we're going to pour some cream on because it wouldn't be a Malai chicken without some heavy cream. So I just pour a little bit on top. And this also helps to keep it juicy. And you just mix it around. And now she's ready to try. And there you have it. This creamy, flavorful Malai chicken is ready to serve. It's rich, it's comforting, and honestly, it tastes like something straight out of a restaurant. Now I'll try it. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes like this.